Hey everyone, welcome to the Breetventures YouTube channel. We're a family of 4 from New Zealand and we love sharing our adventures with you here. As a family, we've been all over the world, experiencing different cultures, foods, languages and ways of life. We've learnt to live on the road, work remotely and be adaptable, while still retaining our home base of New Zealand. We travel a lot around our beautiful country, both the North and South Islands, and we've got heaps of videos from those trips. Check them out. Sometimes we travel with friends, other times it's just us, doing our thing. We also go abroad regularly. Europe is a particular highlight for us, with the many cultures in close proximity. We have family and friends scattered all around the place. Add to that the different languages, food, climate and landscapes, we just keep coming back for more. A little while ago we spent a year travelling around Europe. It was just after COVID and we had effectively been homeschooling the kids off and on for a couple of years. We figured, why not continue to homeschool them on the road? We also wanted a bit of freedom. We just needed to take the leap. So we took off and we had the time of our lives. Our kids still talk about it almost every day, and they regularly watch the videos we uploaded over that time. Take a look at those when you get the chance. We went almost everywhere in Western and Central Europe. I'd say another trip like that is on the cards very soon. While we're in New Zealand, the kids go to our local school, but on our longer trips we'll homeschool them using the New Zealand curriculum as well as some supplementary courses. We keep them busy and focused, but honestly the benefits they get from seeing different places, people and ways of life are huge. You can see their perspective and confidence expanding day after day. If you're thinking of doing this, maybe you'll get some ideas here. We show the highs and occasional lows of travelling with kids. When we travel, we tend to go to smaller towns and villages as that's what we enjoy. It allows us to have a slower pace of travel, to get the chance to meet and talk to locals, try some phrases in their language and not feel like we've just gone to another big city. It's also better for the kids. Of course, we still visit the big cities if there's something we really want to see there, but we don't spend all our time in them. We try not to be Instagram travellers and we don't go looking for the best selfie spot. Well, usually. So why not join us in watching our journey? Who knows, it might inspire you to do the same. Or maybe you just enjoy travelling vicariously through us from the comfort of your couch. We already have over 100 videos, from our very first ones where we were still figuring things out, to our latest ones. Either way, we're happy to have you here. Say hi to us in the comments when you get a chance. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you next time.